Cell phone video showing a confrontation between an LAPD sergeant and two women on the metro is going viral. It started when a teenage girl refused to take her feet off of a seat and leave the train. CBS 2's Jasmine Viel has the video.
I can't if you're pulling me out the train, I can't get my stuff.
Cell phone video shows a LAPD sergeant pulling 18-year-old Bethany Nava by the arm off Metro's Red Line in downtown LA yesterday afternoon.
Please stop doing this, officer. Please don't do this.
LAPD says she refused to follow orders and quiet down. It started when she was told to take her feet off a seat. You can hear her and other passengers, including the man recording this video, arguing with the sergeant to let her go.
I'm 18.
Oh my God.
Get off of me.
Once she's off the train, another woman identified by police as 22-year-old Selena Lechuga walks over and starts defending Nava. Things only escalate from there. More officers are called in as backup. At one point, Lechuga spits in the sergeant's face. She was arrested for battery.
I'm horrified by it. I don't understand why they're pulling her like that or why they're arresting her.
Tippy Thomas rides the Metro every day and has never seen anything like this. But she says she also understands the Metro's rules. Here are the rules posted right outside this Metro station. Everything from no eating or drinking to no more than one seat per person, up to a $1,000 fine or even a year in jail.
I do believe as passengers, you do have to abide the law. So if you're asked to get off, I think you should get off and deal with it in a not so aggressive way on both sides.
Metro rider Major Igala says the sergeant had the right to do what he had to do.
A police officer is a person of authority. When they're asking you to do something, you should do it.
As for Nava, she was cited and released. In Studio City, Jasmine Viel, CBS 2 News.